We'll
Yeah,
do
we'll
the
get
single
the taro one.
Taro one, yeah. Okay. I mean, I'll try it.
Yeah, we'll try.
And then
No, I think we're good for now. Thank you.
Let me send it to my parents.
Yeah. Because
I can maybe help out with one of those buns. Otherwise,
Yeah, that place was amazing. And they rotate fast.
맞아. And all the food was like fresh. Like
You finally got to have chicken feed. Was it good though?
yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
I mean, very different than anything I've ever had in Korea, but it was still
okay.
really good. In Korea, it's almost always
It's more sauce, right?
well, and it's like really like spicy sauce, and it's more like grilled.
Yeah, yeah.
Whereas this one, you could tell is kind of
Boiled.
more like boiled or like steamed, and it's the sauce is more like you know like ganjang base. The texture of it of the part you'd actually eat was much softer than I remember it from Korea.
So we'll just go to IKEA and check out chairs. I would say one-person chair rather than the actual couch. And if we don't find anything, we'll just try other furniture stores like Ashley or local furniture store. I prefer something more like this with the storage area. I mean, more cushiony, but with storage area.
네.
Looks comfortable. No? I like the color.
Yeah, I do. I just don't know if it'll match anything else in it.
No, that's fine, but whenever we tried this chair, we were like, oh, it's uncomfortable. I don't know why people are saying that it's comfortable. No? Yeah, it's not that.
It's not bad, but it's not great.
Yeah, exactly. We tried this last time and we like, look at the face. You like that. Oh yeah, not bad.
맞아요.
Yeah, and price is pretty good too. 뭔가 다른데 이거랑 이거랑?
I think same model.
아, the cushion이 different 하구나.
Yeah.
And that's 104, this is 44. Dark brown, brown, light brown. Because our, 뭐라 그러지? Side, the edge.
We have black things in our house.
We have black things in our house. Yeah, that's the color we have at home.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't rock too much, but it's good enough.
Yeah.
Wow, the price is doubled.
Yeah, for the rocking. Market's over here?
Oh, but rocking better. I know this goes better with our house color scheme, but I do like the light wood color. Yeah, finally they have this.
맞아.
Whoa.
3 years.
Just for the kitchen and pantry for different size too. What do you think? So can we actually customize the size, or do they just sell a certain size and we gotta buy? Probably.
I think they sell a certain
yeah.
size.
그 온라인에 보니까 빨래 가능한 카페트 이런 거 있던데 그걸로 사야 될 것 같아요. I didn't know where to put blankets in, so we can get that. And can we please get this size?
네.
There you go.
We want this color, isn't it?
Yeah, light wood.
Yeah. And we want how many?
2.
2. Okay, one at a time.
2. 맞아요. 잠깐만. 오토몬 쿠션 없는 거 아니야? 저희가 버블티가 갑자기 먹고 싶어가지고 얼른 구글에서 찾아서 왔는데 이름이 Nice to meet you예요. 귀여워. Life is so much better with you. Yeah, I'll go with Thai milk tea. Let's just ask if it actually includes pearls. Yeah, put your bowl soon. sometime in the future. It's funny how they actually have kimchi topping. Great. 어떡해. 큰일 났다. 큰일 났어.
No. Okay, Mama. Okay, you can't act like this when Grandma's here. She'll never want to leave the house. You gotta relax. We're not dead. Oh,
Ah, she's a little baby.
I know, my little girl.
I think I can even go with 0 sugar, to be honest.
Give it a try, little, because
It's coffee?
I mean, it's gonna be coffee enough for you.
Uh-huh. It's coffeeier than I expected.
Yeah, me too.
Because I was expecting more like coffee flavored milk.
Oh, nice. Oh,
This is good.
Eddie's outside.
Yeah, there you go. Hi, Eddie.
Christmas.
Now Momo doesn't even care about mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
She's like, my boyfriend is there.
Yeah.
아니야. 어떡해. He's rubbing all of his body
What, in the snow?
into snow. 이거 몰랐는데 바퀴 있어요. 그래서 이동하기도 되게 쉬울 것 같아요. 퍼펙트. One chair done. 이 공간이 생각보다 작구나.